All right, let's see if I can pry this out without messing it up too bad. Oops. See what we can do here, buddy. There's one side of it. Let's get the other side right here. Just like that. Not the prettiest thing, but she's out. And hopefully we got enough to get it out here. There she is. Now, you don't have much doing there. Look at that. So I got to plug the other one in there. So we got to hold the plug while at the same time plugging the new one in. Let's give that a shot. Okay, let's try this again. Just hold it like that. I'm going to get this on there, like so. And then we'll just pull it into its spot. There we go, just like that. See how I clipped it on there? All you gotta do is shove it back in, like that. And voila, she's in. Now for the final test. There you go. Like new. And that is how you install that switch without pulling any panels on the inside off. Just do it from the outside.